First things first, gather the essential materials. You'll need containers at least 12 to 15 inches deep and wide, outfitted with drainage holes. Choose a high-quality, well-draining potting mix and procure some seed potatoes. These are simply small potatoes or pieces of potatoes with several eyes. Don't forget a balanced, slow-release fertilizer and a watering can or hose. Mulch, like straw or leaves, is optional but can be beneficial. Ready? Start by choosing the right container. It should provide ample room for roots and tubers to grow and have excellent drainage to prevent waterlogging. Next, prepare the potatoes. Purchase certified seed potatoes from a garden center. If you have larger seed potatoes, cut them into pieces, ensuring each piece has at least 2 eyes. Let these cut pieces dry and callus over for a couple of days before planting. The soil preparation is crucial. Fill the container with about 6 inches of your chosen potting mix. Make sure the soil drains well to keep the roots in tip-top condition. Now, it's time for planting. Plant the seed potatoes about 2 to 3 inches deep, with their eyes facing upward. If your container is capacious enough to hold multiple plants, space them about 12 inches apart. After planting, water the soil to settle it around the seed potatoes. Maintaining consistent soil moisture is key as the potatoes grow, but avoid making the soil soggy. As the potato plants grow and reach about 6 inches tall, add more soil to cover the lower stems, leaving the top few inches exposed. This encourages more potatoes to form along the buried stems. Care and maintenance come next. Keep the soil moist, especially during dry spells, and apply a balanced fertilizer following the product instructions to ensure healthy growth. Optionally, add mulch around the plants to help maintain soil moisture and temperature. Harvesting is the most rewarding part. Small new potatoes can be harvested as soon as the flowers bloom. For larger potatoes, wait until the foliage starts to die back at the end of the growing season. Carefully dig around in the container to remove the potatoes without damaging them. To grow potatoes year-round, replicate this process in multiple containers and start new batches at different times. In colder months, move containers to a sheltered location or use a greenhouse to protect from frost. After harvesting, you can reuse the soil for growing other plants, or refresh it with new soil and compost for another round of potatoes. Instructions are below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.